chenro duto mag kambi fwambo mar Standard Media Group pone midhiero momako jofwambo matiyo kanyo kutike thuolo mandala 14 mabiro. KUJ koni jofwambo matiyo od fwambono osebedo katiyo maonge osara kuom thuolo ma dweche 7 sani, gino ma osemiyo thothgi odak mana gi gope.
Standard Group owes the staff accumulated salary arrears of 7 months and has shown no signs of clearing this debt. In this regard, we demand that the company comes up with acceptable payment plan to clear the arrears, failure to which staff will withdraw their labor in 14 days. Number 2, payment of SACCO dues. Ladies and gentlemen, it is sad that as we preach economic empowerment of Kenyans by encouraging them to save, staff at the Standard Group have been pushed to depression as they live in a state of uncertainty over millions of shillings they invested and saved in their SACCO. The company has even defied a directive of a regulator, SASRA, to give this matter priority it